this is a simple step-by-step process to buy any stock in the Ghana Stock Exchange market using the IC Wolf app. So let's get right into it. Within 5 minutes, we should be able to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange market or buy any stock or any share in the Ghana Stock Exchange market of our choice. So first thing first is for you or for us to go into the App Store or our Play Store and download IC Wolf app. So once it comes, you quickly type IC Wolf, and when it comes, you see it with a white logo with IC and some dot written on it. I've already downloaded it, so you also have to download it. So once you download it, the next thing is for you to open. So when you open the IC Wolf, you see the interface. We have register, also we have login. So once you are a new user, what you need to do is for you to quickly register, and if you are a returning user, you just log in with your details. So if you are a new user, you need to have your Ghana card and also your personal details to just sign up with this particular app. So once it comes, I'm already an existing user, so I'll log in. So when you log in, after you sign up with all your details and you log in, if you are a new user and you want to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange market, the first thing first is for you to have your CSD number. And the CSD number, if you look at the IC Wolf interface, we have 4 options. We have dashboard, also we have liquidity fund, we have trade life, and our insights. So if you are a new user, you have to click on the trade life option. So once the trade life come, you see that on top of it, where they said tap here to trade, here, that place, it will be like tap to create a CSD number. So once you tap on it, a CSD number will be given to you within 2 to 3 weeks. So let's assume that already you've gotten your CSD number and you are now coming to buy any stock in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. So with this, the first thing for you to do is for you to deposit. So let's assume that everything is set, you've gotten your CSD number and you are coming to invest in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. What you need to do is, we have the liquidity fund, which is also a mutual fund for IC securities, and also we have the trade life. So we click on the trade life option. So once you click on the trade life option and it comes, you see that a list of companies has been listed here. So those are the companies that are listed in the Ghana Stock Exchange. So quickly we go in there and see how we'll be able to deposit money and also buy any stock of our choice. So we just tap on here to trade. So once you tap it, it will automatically redirect you to the website of IC Securities. So you log in with your details and they will send you a 6-digit code to verify that you are the one. Those are the things that IC Securities do to make sure they keep their customers safe, very, very safe. So once it comes, you see that the same interface, you see dashboard, IC trade life, IC liquidity. So here we are concentrating on our trade life. So once it comes trade life, you see that the list of stocks has reflected here again. You have MTN, you have ETR, you have Cowbank, you have Anglo Gold Ashanti, we have Access Bank, we have ADB, and so on and so forth. So what you have to do is for you to add funds into your IC trade life accounts. So already I've had some funds here, but I will still have to add funds since I'm demonstrating for you to also know how to deposit money in order to trade. So once it comes, you tap on add funds and click on trade life portfolio, and when it comes, you click on add funds, funding amount. So let's deposit 100 Ghana cedis, and they will add for payment method. So when they ask for payment method, if you have MasterCard, Visa card, or any other card, you can quickly put it on. But I'm using mobile money, so quickly I'll put in my mobile money, and once it comes, there will be like transaction charges and 00 total due, and it's 100 Ghana cedis. So I'll click on submit. So when I click on submit, it will automatically redirect me for me to deposit or put in my Momo pin. So here we go, my Momo pin, and sometimes when it's not reflecting, you have to go to my approval and quickly approve the transaction at my approval. So once it comes, you see that an amount has been added to your accounts. Initially it was 17, available balance was 17, but total balance is now 140 and the available balance is now 117 cedis. So quickly you take a look at the share that you want to purchase, and one of our favorites is our MTN Ghana shares, which is one of the most investors favorite in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. So with this particular amount, let's say we are buying MTN shares and also we are buying ETI. So let's quickly buy MTN shares using let's say we are buying MTN shares. Let's see 30 shares, how much it will cost. So they are saying 30 will be 106 Ghana cedis. So let's focus and buy only MTN shares. So once it comes, you click on proceed. So once you click on proceed, here we go. So automatically an order will come and other details for you to submit. So the charges they are taking for this particular order is 2 cedis 59 pesos. So net consideration is 106 cedis 0.09 pesos. So we'll click on submit, and once it's submitted, you see that a pending order will be sent, and a pending order will be sent. So once the pending order is sent, you see that order has been submitted. So order has been submitted. So when it comes to history, you see that the pending order will be in the history. It will be in the history of the trade life portfolio. So quickly, if the trade that you've initiated comes, you see that we have it here, pending order 106 cedis with 30 shares. So once it comes, our share will be executed, and once it's executed, when the broker send it to the market and execute the trade, you also be having MTN as part of your portfolio, and you become a shareholder of MTN Ghana. This is the step-by-step process in buying any stock in the Ghana Stock Exchange market. If you actually like this video, kindly consider to subscribe, and also don't forget to comment